Guys, good to see you. My name is Niels Duinker, and in this video I'm going to teach you the basic variations, how you can learn how to juggle 6 balls. Let's get started. So the first trick I'm going to teach you right now is called the fountain. The fountain looks like this. Or you can do it this way. Well, as you already see, in the fountain, just like the fountain with 4 balls, you juggle a certain amount of balls with one hand and with the other hand. So if you want to learn how to juggle 6 balls, you want to learn how to juggle 4 balls first. You want to get it real tight and solid. And then you're going to learn how to juggle 3 balls in either hand. So you can do it with your right hand, and you have to be able to do it with your left hand. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. So what you want to do, you're going to hold the balls just like this. So this ball is the first ball that you're going to throw. Then this ball is the second ball you're going to throw. This one is the last one. So it goes like this. You go 1, 2, 3. So when you start with 3 balls in one hand, you want to make sure that all the throws are equally high. So the first one, you might want to throw a little higher than initially what you feel. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, stop. And you try to get a nice circle to the outside. So the balls go from the middle to the outside. You're going to do it with the other hand as well. You're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, now that you can juggle 3 balls in one hand, 3 balls in the other hand, it's time to put it together. So we're going to start off with 6 balls, 6 throws, and 6 catches. Once you can do that, you're slowly going to add more throws to the pattern. So in the beginning, 6 throws, 6 catches. Maybe then you're going to go for 10 throws, 10 catches, 12 throws, 12 catches, and you slowly work your way up. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, boom. So you can, juggling 6 balls in a fountain, you can go for the asynchronized rhythm, or you can throw the balls together. So the second trick that you're going to learn with 6 balls is the fountain. Same pattern, just different rhythm with your hands. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. And then you're going to add more throws. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's trick number 2. Now, building on the synchronized fountain, I'm going to teach you trick number 3. In juggling terms, this trick is called the 6-ball wimpy. So what we're going to do, 6 balls, your hands are going to go in the same rhythm, but the balls are going to cross. So instead of up, straight down, you're going to cross the balls just like this. So here's a little secret. One hand goes a tiny bit higher than the other. So my left hand goes a little higher than the right hand. It might be your personal preference. Maybe you want to go your right hand a little higher. I want to do my left hand a little higher. So the left ball is going to cross over the right ball. And that way they don't hit each other in the air. So for the wimpy, the learning process is the same as when you tried the fountain. First we're going to go for 6 throws and 6 catches. So you're going to go 1, and go 1, 2, 3. So this is how it looks like. Also, this trick you want to learn with 4 balls first. So, like I said earlier in the video, you want to be able to juggle 4 balls before trying the 6. Same with the wimpy pattern. I have a video here on YouTube to learn the 4-ball wimpy. This is a 6-ball variation of it. So you go 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. It's now the full 6-ball wimpy. We're going to keep it going. There you go. Well, now you already have 3 variations. We're going to add the 4th one, just what I promised. So this trick is called the half shower. So in the wimpy, the balls both cross underneath. So with the half shower, what you're gonna do, almost the same trick. One ball goes over the top, one underneath. So with 3 balls, this is the half shower. Now with 4 balls, it looks like this. You see, we're almost here. The wimpy, with one hand, does throws from the outside, one from the inside. And now the 6 ball variation. There you got it. 6 balls. But wait, here's a bonus trick. Good luck. If you have any questions about learning how to juggle 6 balls, leave a comment below. Also, please subscribe because I'll be posting more tutorials very soon.